Hello, I'm Colin from Education Quizzes. Let's quickly dive into the English section of the 11 Plus exam. Surprisingly, around a third of UK grammar schools don't test English during their entrance exams. We recommend that you research the Knowledge Bank area of our website to see exactly what is required at your grammar school of choice. You can then concentrate learning and revision in the appropriate quiz sections. The good news is that much of the required knowledge is covered in primary school under the KS2 curriculum. However, since the 11 Plus is typically taken at the start of Year 6, some advanced topics may not have been taught yet. But don't worry, we've got you covered with over 70 quizzes to help you prepare. Below you'll find a list of key areas you should focus on. Now, let's tackle 4 sample questions to get a sense of the proficiency level needed. Take a moment to think about each question before we reveal the answer. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. This question belongs in the group loosely called alliterations. This is from the group antonyms. This is a typical syllables question. Last of all, we have rhymes. Keep in mind that practice leads to perfection, and you'll discover ample opportunities for practice on the Education Quizzes website.